This is the Survivors Guidebook. It's the heart of the healing journey and the foundation of everything we do here. It was written for survivors of grief, trauma, silence, and everything in between who are ready to rebuild their lives through science, ritual, and reflection. The guidebook isn't just a journal, it's a structured path. Inside, you'll find 6 chapters: grounding, voice, boundaries, grief and release, joy and resilience, and integration. Each section combines psychology, somatic science, and spiritual care, giving your nervous system a new language for safety. It's about more than just writing things down. It's about creating a tangible map for your healing, one that honors both the mind and the body. We've designed every page to feel like a safe harbor, a place where you can explore your story without judgment. This is your personal space to unpack, understand, and eventually to transform. Every exercise is backed by trauma research. Grounding techniques calm the amygdala, your brain's fear center. Journaling rewires memory pathways through repetition and language. Breathwork activates the vagus nerve, signaling safety throughout the body. Over time, these practices train your brain to expect peace instead of panic. We're not just hoping for change. We're actively creating it by working with your biology, not against it. Think of it as a gentle reprogramming, teaching your body that it can exist in a state of calm, that safety is not just possible, but attainable. Your body can learn peace, and this is how you teach it. The guidebook also includes reflection prompts, affirmation pages, and a resource directory filled with free hotlines, grief centers, and mental health organizations. Because healing isn't linear and no one should walk it alone. We know that some days are harder than others, and on those days, having immediate access to support is crucial. This directory is your connection to a wider community of care, a reminder that help is always available and that reaching out is a sign of strength. Help is part of healing. The Survivor's Guidebook is for anyone rebuilding after rupture, whether from loss, trauma, or burnout. It's for the ones who are still here. For the ones learning to stay. It's for those who feel fragmented and are seeking a way to feel whole again. If you've ever felt like your story was too much or too messy, this guidebook is for you. It affirms that your survival is a testament to your strength. You're still here, so that matters. In the next episode, we'll move into the grief ritual kit where release becomes ceremony. Subscribe to continue the healing journey. And download the Survivor's Guidebook to begin your own process. Scientifically grounded, spiritually guided, and always trauma-informed. Your story is the research. Thank you for being here with me today.